Hello friends, today I will be discussing about the trade which I have taken today, right? So I always tell that you need to watch previous day, how the previous day had behaved. Okay, so first we'll see previous day chart. So if you find over here, previous day the market has opened up and it has fallen continuously, right? But while closing, it has made higher low and it has closed. Okay, so the close was not so bearish as compared to it was in the first half, right? So now we'll see the price action today. So what has happened? Market has gapped up, right? After gap up, we have seen that market has came down to a level of 17,801, and again from here it has been pushed towards a level of 17,858, and from again 17,858 it was pushed down, okay, towards again 17,800 level. But we have seen that the market was not able to push the market below 17,800, right? And there was a strong pullback from over here, right? Again market has gone up to 17,843. This candle you can notice over here. Again from here the market tries to push the price down, but it has made a higher low over here, you can see over here, and again the price has gone up. Okay, the same thing happened again, the price came over here, market tries to put the price down, again the price has gone over here, up over here, right? So what I did after seeing this, you can see this, and also here I have put a one more analysis, that was volume analysis. I will show you that in that future chart. See this candle, I was talking about this candle, right? Wait, I'll show you here. Yeah, see this candle. So what you can see that in this candle, the volume in this candle was comparatively low and the size of the candle was good enough, right? The same thing over here, if you see that at the same time, if you see over here in the bank nifty, here also the same thing. The volume was bit lower, but the size of the candle was nearly same. So what is happening? Market is trying to go up, right? It is market is going up, and again the seller are trying to push the market down. But what is happening? We can see the strength of the buyer, and the buyer is trying to put the market again. Market, it is pushing the market above, right? So what is happening over here? That we have seen over here again with the less volume, we have seen this candle, right? So we have entered a trade over here, trying to keep the stop loss somewhere near here, right? Over here. So what we have done, we have gone in the option of 17,800. Okay, we'll see the option of 17,800 call option right here. So we have entered the trade over here at near 173, right, over here, and our stop loss was 10 points below that. So 163 was our stop loss. So 163 stop loss was somewhere over here, 163 line market, because if you would have seen my previous video, I always give 10 point stop loss in options, right? So my stop loss was 163. This was this level, 162.75, yeah, below this, right? So my stop loss was over here. But what has happened? You have seen that the market has again came down, but the low what it has made was 163.9. So my stop loss was safe, right? My stop loss was not triggered, and again you have seen that the market has taken off. Okay, over here. Now we'll see the spot chart. See what has happened. Again it has made, again the price has tried to come down over here, but again the buyers has put the price higher, right? So it is continuously showing the strength of the buyer. So buyer is at the upper hand, right? The strength of the buyer is at the upper hand. So what is happening whenever market is trying to, seller is trying to put the market down, the buyers are coming in and pushing the market up. The same thing happened over here. Again you can find here, again you found a selling over here, but again this low was higher than this. This low was higher than this low. This low was higher than this low. Okay, so you are always finding that higher high, lower low, higher high, higher low, again higher high, higher low, again higher high, higher low. So it is always making a formation of higher high, higher low. So it represents that market is in uptrend. But the major point what we need to see is this point. When the market cross over here, if the market sustains above this, right? So that means my trade is now highly confirmed, right? So, but I have taken the trade bit earlier so that I can easily have a good risk to reward ratio. So you have seen over here, once this has it has broken this, it tried to pull back again. This candle it has broken this over here. Again, you have seen these small candles going on, small candles over here. So what does it mean? That see, small candles means what? Means market is losing a bit of momentum, sort of like that. Okay, but once you see this big candle, so what it means that the buying pressure is very high. Means the buyers are very strong over here, and they are in a great momentum. Okay, so what I did in option, if you'll see, my entry point was somewhere here. You can see in that my order. My order was 173.1. Okay. So my entry was 170.1 and I have exited at 207.95. So it was nearly 3.5 R. My stop loss was 10 points and I have taken nearly 35 points. See, somewhere I have exited somewhere over here. 200 and yeah, somewhere over here I have exited. Okay. So after here also we have seen a good movement over here, but I have exited over here because my 3.5 I got 3.5 R as my risk reward, okay, which was my target. Now, if you see what was the logic behind this trade, the main logic was that I was seeing the strength of the buyer, okay, and the strength of the seller. The seller was trying to put the market below 18,000, 17,800, but the buyer were not ready to let the market go below that, and it was trying to push the market up, right, and also was making higher high and higher low. Again, I've entered over here on the basis of my volume analysis concept that the volume of this candle was less than this candle, and also I was having a bullish view. So I've entered the market over here, long over here, right? By keeping a stop loss of 10 point in the option. So 10 point in the option is somewhat comes nearly 15 points in the uh, spot. Okay. So that was my stop loss. So, and one more thing, yesterday also I have missed the trade because I was having some work, so I have not taken a trade yesterday. So I'll let you know the chart of the yesterday, how it has worked, right? So yesterday you can see that the close was not bearish, the close was somewhat bullish to sideways, right? But what has happened? The market fallen from where? From yesterday's swing high. So this was acting as a resistance yesterday also, and today, acting as resistance on day before yesterday, means that was on 10th, and yesterday also means on 13th. Also it has acted at resistance. The market continuously fallen, right? So basically, if market has continuously fallen, it indicates that market is weak and the seller in control in the market. ठीक है, seller market के control में पूरा. तो इस केस में क्या है ना कि हम गिरते समय I will not buy. I will let the market to halt a bit. Market halt के बाद हम try. I will see that what is the strength of the buyer. Where can the buyer take the market, right? So here you're seeing that the buyer is coming till over here. So what I am seeing over here is that market is sideways, okay, over here. But if the market would have broken this high and would have gone higher, right, I'd have gone for a long, because in that case the buyer is showing strength. But what has happened? You can see this candle has been made, and this candle has been made, and once this low is broken, okay, you can go short over here, right? Because once this low is broken, you can go short. Means what? The seller are much more stronger than the buyer, and the buyer are not enough strong to put the market up. Okay, so here if you would have sold it, you would have got a good risk reward ratio over here, right? So this was a trade yesterday which I have already missed. Actually, I have having some work, so not ready yesterday. And this is the today trade, right? So today I was able to get 1:3.5 R. Okay, so here so I'll post again whenever I will take trade, I'll post it over here, right? So thank you. Please like, subscribe and share my channel, and kindly comment if you want any further improvement or any queries. Thank you. Okay.